I'm the Passion, Joshua Pasio, purple belt, -155.
Gi or no gi?
I'm more on no-gi guy kasi sa MMA ako eh. Nung sinubukan ko yung gi, na-in-love na din ako dun. I enjoyed gi.
What's your favorite competition move?
Pinaka-paborito ko talaga since nung nag-start ako ng MMA hanggang ngayon is arm triangle.
Arm triangle. Could you walk us through what motivated you to start competing even before ka pa nag-MMA?
First of all, I was obese. At the age of 11 or 10, huwag yung titignan yun. I weighed 70 kg at the age of 10 years old.
10 years old.
Oo. So, akyat ako ng hagdan, hinihingal ako. That's when I decided to start martial arts, MMA, Muay Thai, until Jiu-Jitsu.
What do you think helped you the most during this competition?
My faith in God, first of all, and of course yung consistency, discipline in training. There's a time na ayaw ng katawan mo mag-training but you need to go. Yun yung consistency and discipline. And of course, proper rest. Yun.
What is your best advice to anyone that wants to start competing?
Push yourself. Kung gusto nyo mag-start talaga and this is your passion, go. Do it. Kasi ikaw lang naman yung makakapigil sa sarili mo. If this is your calling, go, do it. Hindi lang suntok, hindi lang choke, hindi lang physical yung maitutulong ng martial arts or jiu-jitsu. It's about discipline talaga, attitude. Shout out sa team ko, Baguio Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Prof. Gib, Lions Nation MMA, and of course, one championship. Yun. Sana may laro na ako.
Thank you so much. Nice
Thank you,
meeting
brother.